Consider the beginning of a construction of a square inscribed in circle Q. Label points R and Q on the circle. Draw a diameter through R and Q. Label the point where the diameter intersects the circle as point T. What is the next step in this construction? All right, so again, I don't expect you to have every single construction memorized. I don't even have every single construction memorized. That's a lot of stuff to memorize. But we can logically think through this to see what makes sense. Remember, our ultimate goal is to construct a square inscribed in the circle. So ultimately, we want a square that touches, all of its vertices touch the circle. Something like that. Okay? So if we draw a radius SQ, well, we don't even have a point S, so that's just crazy talk. You could label point S on the circle. You know, that's a possibility. I'm not going to mark that out yet, but we're just randomly labeling any point S. That seems a little bit random. All right, the next one says construct a line parallel to RT. Well, if we have a line parallel to RT, I don't see how that's going to help us create a square. So that's going to go away. And then the next one, let me get rid of my chicken scratch so far. The next one says to construct the perpendicular bisector of RT. So if we did the perpendicular bisector, that would cut it into two equal pieces and it would be a 90-degree angle. Now, I don't know about you, but I think that that is actually going to help us because then we have the vertices of our square. So this is definitely what we're going to want to do to finish out that construction. Labeling a random point just didn't do anything for us.